Hi, and welcome to another episode of Bite-Sized Branding. Today we're talking about trust and the monumental statistic in 2025 that is changing everything we know about marketing. So, hear this. Qualtrics, a global data and consumer research company, reported that trust in information provided is the single most important decision maker in the buying process. So, what that means is the ability for a consumer to trust your business beats out everything else. That includes price and convenience. Can you believe in the times we live in today that price is not the single most important driver? So instead of leading with a value and price-based positioning, we are the least expensive, the most affordable. We now need to reframe all of these positions and look at it from the perspective of how do they trust us? What are we doing that is making them believe what we're saying and that we're going to fulfill our promises? How do we back up our stances with social proof like testimonials, reviews, statistics? Take a hard look at all of your marketing. What are your messaging on your website? What types of messages and content are you producing on social media and outbound campaigns? How are you talking about yourself in the sales cycle? If you're leading with a price-based pitch or a convenience-based pitch, you absolutely need to reevaluate your positioning and start to focus on a trust-based pitch. I anticipate trust and information provided only becoming more and more important in the age of AI, when it's hard to tell the difference between a picture of a real person and an AI generated person, or a real product and an AI generated product. Really leaning in to authenticity and extreme transparency in what you do, what your products and services look like, what your team looks like, and what you can provide is going to be critical in this new age that we're entering. That's all for today. Take it easy.